Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, this is a part of our Glam Squad series, and this one is our late winter to spring home tour. After you watch my video, please go over to my friend's channel and tell them I sent you. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hi everyone! Welcome to our home, and I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching.
Like it's something in the air at that time, don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think with locked eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. And a friend of a friend, never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'd do it all over again. At your place over spring break, a heartache, I'd do it all over again. Do it all over Tell me a lie, and I tell you too. I say that I'm happy for the two of you. You wanna be friends, but I don't think I can.
Guys, in this video, I would like you to guess what is my theme in this spring home tour. It need to be 3 of them in this particular video. This is only for US residents, and if you can guess the 3, then you will gonna have a gift from me. So I'm going to look in the comment section whoever win the 3 items in this video that I featured everyone. Particular here in my great room, that 3 decor pieces is over here that I styled today. Needs to be the spring decor pieces.
I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today.
Dinnerware from Z Gallery, my charger from Home Goods, salad plate from Home Goods, and bowl from Z Gallery. Butterfly napkin ring from Pier 1.
I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living
My Greek pillow, I got this one from Burlington 5 years ago.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Let me know what you think about my videos for today. Do you like the neutral colors of white, black, and a little bit touch of gold and greenery? So if this is your style, let me know. If you like this video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Guys, don't forget to stop by to my friend's channel, N of Luxury Living with N, Solly of Glam Home of My Style My Color, Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. Next week guys, on Thursday, again, this is our series and you're going to see more decorating for spring. And this time we have to upload it Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone! Be safe!